Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the 2026 limited edition GQ fragrance box. This is sold by Allure Beauty and you can buy it in their store. And they say it has a $289 value and you get a lot of different perfumes. Some are full size, some are like travel sprays. But it's a good way to try different stuff.
Okay, so the first one I think is the largest size. It's a Paco Rabanne Eau de Toilette, 50 mils, so that's 1.7 ounces. This smells good. I think this is probably one of the most inoffensive male perfumes. Kind of everyone likes it.
I was gonna say, apparently this has a value of something like $100+. It's got that iconic gold packaging. The next one is by L'Atelier Perfume, and it has, I think this one,
it's called Green Crush. It says a powerful whiff of green that leaves you energized and wanting more. It's 0.3 fluid ounces, and so I guess it is actually a perfume. So it's kind of like a purse spray.
Oh yeah, that one smells good.
Oh,
yeah, watch out, because like if you don't open it properly, the spray.
Okay.
Yeah. So my husband likes trying perfumes. He likes everything from, oud and Arab perfumes are really strong, but he likes light perfumes as well. So he has been enjoying trying these. The next one is by Fulton and Roark, and this is called Calle Ocho, and it says a mellow melange of smooth rum, tobacco leaves, and sandalwood, and this is 0.5 fluid ounces. This is an extract of perfume, so it actually has this top notes, middle notes, base notes listed. Cinnamon, rum, bitter chocolate, jasmine, labdanum, and tobacco leaf, and then tonka bean, sandalwood, and musk. I think I really came in a really unique package.
Oh, that's pretty.
And I think I really liked how this smelled. Oh yeah, this one went up.
Oh, okay.
Do you smell this one? It's almost kind of like burnt marshmallows.
That's nice. You can definitely smell the cinnamon.
I like this one. I'm very picky about my perfume. So I like when he uses this one. And they also have the F&R logo. And just before I get to the end, they have, discount codes where you can scan the QR codes, and it's like 15% to 20% off. Two brands don't give you a discount, but that's pretty nice.
Yeah. It is unique smelling. The next item is, don't know how to say that.
Vyrao, that one?
Vyrao. Yeah, I guess it could be. Yeah, you're right. This says magnetic 70 for attraction and protection. Eau de Parfum, 0.33 of an ounce. So again, kind of like that travel purse spray. It looks like this. They didn't tell you what notes are in it.
Here, let me see the box.
Okay, so it's kind of, to me, it reminds me almost like a Diet Coke. Do you know what I'm saying? No?
Spray it in the cap, maybe, or maybe the box.
Yeah, let's do the box.
Because one of the perfumes I don't like, maybe that's this one.
Oh, you know what it almost reminds me of? One of those Polo Ralph Lauren perfumes.
It's kind of, you got like pine and cedar. Oh, that's actually,
it's good.
It's starting to open up. It must not be this one. Yeah, that one's
this
actually
was not the other purse spray was not. I didn't like how it smelled. Purse.
Yes, I don't think I liked this one. Well, it's cedarwood musk. That's okay. And then the final one was Liquids Imaginaires. And this one, it's called
Lunatique.
Lunatique. Interesting. Almost looks like, okay, so that's again like a travel size. Yeah, I don't think I like this one. Yeah, so this is if you have like a husband or boyfriend and they like perfumes, definitely give this a try. I think it was around $60 maybe. So that's a really good price for one full size perfume and then different, you know, travel size perfumes.
I'm gonna try perfumes.
And then get this.